Hi viewers, these videos aren't limited to students but also all the English learners who are eager to learn English through activity based learning. I'm going to discuss some of the videos about meanings, synonyms, as well as other options of parts of speech. Let us learn and discuss these topics. Your valuable suggestions will ever be welcomed. Thank you so much and welcome to English video number 1. English activity videos number 1. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Today we are discussing mostly prepositions. Question number 1. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated blank Makkah to Medina in 623 AD. Migration was done from Makkah to Medina. It means direction was from Makkah to Medina. Therefore, B option from is correct. Question number 2. Abu Jahl, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's home. So, when we are angry, we are in a fit of fury. That's why in preposition option C is correct. Question number 3. He began knocking at the door violently. There is always knock at, not knock on, knock into, knock about. But when we knock the door, we always knock at. Question number 4. At this she instantly ran. It means we demand wave to take the direction. So here the direction towards the corner of the home is correct. Question number 5. She has resolute faith blank Allah Almighty. Here faith means belief. With faith and belief we always use the preposition in. Therefore B option in is correct. Question number 6. She gave blank all the money to the poor and the needy. Gave away means distribute. So here option C away is correct. Question number 7. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. So it means a torch that shows the way to others. So beacon of light, B option of is correct. Question number 8. The Sultan Masjid is one of the most impressive monuments in the world. Tick the antonym. Antonym means the underlined word must be replaced by the opposite meaning. Impressive means we are impressed with what. So its opposite will be B option unimpressive. Question number 9. Situated in Istanbul, The largest city in Turkey. Take the antonym of the underlined word. Here we need the opposite meaning of the largest. So A option smallest is correct. Question number 10. A heavy iron chain hangs in the upper part of the court entrance on the western side. Take the antonym of the underlined word. Underlined word is heavy, means big, but here we need the word with opposite meaning of heavy. It is light. C option. Thank you for watching once again.